This is Mike here with MGK Pools, and I'm going to break into this Hayward 1.5 horsepower, dual speed, above ground motor, the Matrix. Alright, so when you get this, you got your instructions, you got your lid with your O-ring. This lid could be a pain in the ass. Right? Let's get this pump out. What I want to show you about this pump. Now, first things first, this pump comes with a standard plug. So if you got a twist lock, nobody knows what's in the box anymore. So they keep changing the electrical code. It could be a standard house, could be 3-prong twist lock. Unless you open the box and have a look at it, nobody's gonna know. One of the things I do when I sell this pump, I sell it on my website for $465. If you need to change out the plug, I'll change out the plug before I ship it. If you have a vertical discharge and this pump is coming with a horizontal discharge, I'm going to show you how to change that right now. Take out your basket, pull out your clip, throw it in the basket, take off your debris pot. Now on this sucker here, there's this tiny little tab over here. You see the orientation of the pump. Right over here on this side, let's see if I can help you. I can't zoom in on it, so I'm just going to slide my screwdriver in here and just twist it a little bit. Didn't get it. Didn't get it. It's a lock right here that's keeping this in this position. And you gotta get your screwdriver in there, nice fine headed one. There, oh, I heard it. I heard it. Nope, it went in and out. People are like, it's not super user friendly. Obviously, I've been doing this a while. This one's fighting me. Maybe because I'm trying to show you. There it goes. So once you get that unlocked, this will turn the discharge. And what you want to do is you want to flip it into position good and hard. Listen for this. Right? Now that locked back in. Now it's locked in this position. Now, we take our debris pot, line it up, tap it in there, take our little clip right here, pop it in there, take our debris pot, basket, put that back in, we have our lid, and then boom. What was once a horizontal discharge is now a vertical discharge. So when you order the pump from me, I reach out to people and I'm like, well, what do you need before I ship it? Do you need a twist lock plug? All right, that's $465 with free shipping. All right, I'm gonna put that back in. We're gonna take this and boom, boom, boom. Oh, don't forget the instructions. Get the instructions back in there and that's it, you're done. You've changed it from a horizontal to a vertical discharge. This is a 2-speed pump. Has a little switch. You run this sucker on low unless you're vacuuming. It'll use probably 1/8 the power of it does on full speed. So it saves so much energy. This is a pretty decent pump. I would say this is the second best pump in the industry, above ground anyways. And in my next video, I'll go into the #1 above ground. But check out MGK Pools if you're looking for a Hayward Matrix pump, 1.5 horsepower. I'm glad to help you out.